Seagull Premium Coated One-Side FBB. The unique fiber furnish and coating formulation ensure paperboard suitable flexibility for nano varnish to present a perfect UV ink film forming and varnish effect. Exceptionally higher folding resistance, increased ply bonding, excellent surface strength, ensuring better operational efficiency by increasing productivity and resulting higher yield. Better fiber furnish and coating recipe on the back to ensure full-color printing requirements. Better fiber processing technology to achieve superior embossing effect. Superior chalk side coating formulation to comply with laser coating and digital coating. Clean on the surface. With FSC chain of custody, from forest to finished products, raw materials are 100% EI traceable, suitable for premium pharmaceutical packaging, suitable for premium cosmetic packaging, suitable for premium daily consumer packaging.